Welcome to Buy Manufacturers Direct YouTube Surface Preparation Learning Series, where today Josh addresses the common problem presented to those polishing concrete, and that is the critical work of blending joints, patch, and repair areas. Duplicating to perfection a polish that is a few years old, or even a few months old, is pretty much impossible. Still, getting close, and with time, the blended areas should eventually match, at least to the untrained eye. Josh started the project with 100 grit Terrazzo Plus pads, carefully navigating the unpolished area. Opting to cut wet, a wet vac is utilized to collect the slurry. Although Slurry Slayer would have also been a clean and convenient method for slurry disposal. Today, Josh chooses the Prepmaster Junior due to its size and ability to effectively polish. Its maneuverability provides Josh with the versatility to navigate the more condensed areas that require blending. Josh is methodically working in an outward motion. He is essentially feathering in the polish to increase the degree of fusion with the existing polish. Josh intentionally follows the polishing steps, advancing to a 400 grit resin, then an 800 grit resin, and finally a 1500 grit resin, which Josh polishes dry since the amount of cutting at this stage is nominal. In the before and after video, the attention to detail and proficiency of a well thought out blending plan is visually evident. Bypassing the importance of proper blending can make the difference between an enthusiastic owner or a disappointed one. To learn more about any of the products or processes used in today's video, please reach out to your Buy Manufacturers Direct customer support representative. And as always, if you found today's video informative, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please don't forget to select that bell icon to be notified when we post a new video.